Sport gets thrown around quite a lot in the automotive world, referring to anything from cosmetic upgrades to smaller versions of larger models. Looking at you, Land Rover. So having the word slapped on the boot or tailgate doesn't necessarily translate to a more engaging drive or more performance. It can just be more about the look. Enter the 2018 Kia Cerato Sport Plus, a version of the company's aging rival to the Hyundai i30, Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla, Volkswagen Golf. The list goes on. There are no power upgrades, nor is there a firmer suspension tune, and there aren't any aerodynamics enhancing components either. Just a visual upgrade and more equipment. This list includes leather-appointed seats, electric driver's lumbar support, steering-mounted paddle shifters, a cool glove box, keyless entry with push-button start, along with an auto-dimming electrochromic rear-view mirror. This comes on top of the 7.0-inch touchscreen navigation system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 17-inch alloy wheels with full-size spare, premium steering wheel and shift knob, automatic headlights, and rear spoiler offered in the base sport grade, from $24,790. On the downside, you still cannot even option the driver assistance technologies that are reserved for the C and SLE grades, meaning if you want to get features such as autonomous emergency braking, EB, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and lane change assist, you're going to have to shell out a few grand more than the Sport Plus's $27,290 plus ORC's asking price. Considering it's available on higher grades, it surely doesn't make sense that Kia doesn't offer a safety pack for mid and low spec models. Or better, standardize it? Regardless of the specification shortcomings, this variant is still reasonable value if you look past the gaps in active safety. In terms of design, the Cerato Sedan is still a good-looking thing. The Planet Blue premium paint on our tester, $520, is very attractive, and makes the Cerato appear more expensive than it is. Meanwhile, the 17-inch polished alloy wheels look smart, and since they're the same ones used on the top-shelf SLE, it will look like you have the expensive one, until one spots the Sport Plus badge on the boot. The sloping roofline and dark-tinted tail lights give the Cerato an athletic look, while the large oval-shaped chrome tailpipe finisher doesn't look too overdone. Inside, it's less inspiring. The Cerato features a number of different trims and finishes, from the squishy plastics on the passenger side of the dashboard and upper front door trims, to the fake carbon fiber elements around the air vents. It's too disjointed and mismatched for this reviewer, and it makes the Cerato feel quite dated when you compare it to something like the i30 or Golf. The large central infotainment system lifts the ambience a bit, though, and the fact it features native navigation in addition to smartphone mirroring technologies means it's up there with the best in the segment. It still isn't as pretty or as quick as the newer system used in the i30, however.